Fan, welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that's very important for you to know, especially those of you who have been sued by a collection agency or a creditor, and that is, what should you do had you been sued by a collection agency or a creditor? Now, this is a very, very important topic because you don't want this particular account to appear on your credit report as a defaulted judgment for the next 10 years. First thing is, do not ignore it, okay? So if you ignore it, what's going to happen is it's going to automatically become a default judgment and you're not going to be able to fight it afterwards. The second thing is you have to answer immediately. So they typically give you 30 days. Generally speaking, from state to state is actually different, but generally speaking, it's 30 days for you to answer. Now, what we recommend that you do is you look at each statement that they've sent you. You look at all the accounts, you're looking at the name, you look at every specific detail regarding the account and tally and put these items together to make sure that you can present a legitimate argument. Because again, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act protects you, and it protects you only in regards to your particular accounts. Okay, so first thing you do is you look at your account and you get everything together. Look for any type of item that does not appear to be correct, any number, anything. The second thing is you have to see how this particular account has affected you personally, okay? So if it has affected your livelihood, if it has affected your things that you're trying to do in life, caused you to have financial challenges, if they've harassed you, make sure to get these items and write them down. Now, I know that many of you may be a little bit afraid and you may say, well, I don't really know if I can approach this because I don't have experience, or I don't know, I don't like going to courts. A lot of people don't like to go to courts. And others say, well, I don't really want to deal with an attorney because I know that they have more experience than me. Well, this is where we come in, okay? So we can actually come in and we'll have a consultation with you and we will discuss these particular items. We will discuss this account and we will let you know how we can actually help you, because again, when there's a will, there's a way. And if you are suffering from a lot of debt, the best thing for us to do is to help you get it removed from your credit report. Now, there are ways that you can actually settle for a lot less than the original balance. And also we will say that we don't say that you should settle, especially with a collection agency, because they bought it for pennies on a dollar from the original creditor. However, we will talk about these things and negotiate for you on your behalf. Now, we are not a licensed attorney. I'm not a licensed attorney, nor is my team. However, we will actually write a counterclaim and countersuit for you, and then you will have to then go and file it on your own. So we can assist you, but only to a certain level, because we cannot do certain things and we cannot speak on your behalf. But we can aid you in regards to helping you be able to resolve this issue with this particular creditor or collection agency. Now, if you have any questions pertaining to a lawsuit or any issues pertaining to this particular account that we're talking about or discussing, feel free to give us a call at 225-733-6429. Or if you're trying to get it resolved immediately, go to www.credithealing.org. And again, do not wait. Go ahead and hop on this, because if you don't, then what's going to happen is it's going to give the creditor or collection agency the upper hand, and then you'll be suffering with bad credit in the future. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Peace. Mail, when I send it off, I'm going to show you the receipt that comes with it, which is the fourth step. So bear with me, family, and stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly what to do.